Want to improve your cold emails in the next 10 minutes? In this video, I'll show you 5 ways to get better at cold email without adding extra work to your day. No complicated strategies, no extra hours, no bullshit cold email talk. Hey, I'm Jake and I help people make cold mailing simple, effective and scalable. If you've already sent a few cold emails and didn't get much back, or if you're sending but feel like your results could be better, you are in the right place. I'll show you actionable tweaks you can make to improve your cold outreach. And these aren't random benchmarks I found online, just smarter strategies I wish someone had told me when I was starting out. Stick around until the end and I'll also show you a tool that makes all of this even easier. Alright, let's jump into the tips. Tip number 1, sending pattern. In your sending tool, set a delay between emails that mimics human behavior. Just avoid setting random intervals like every 15 to 20 seconds. That will reveal you're using automation. After all, what human sends an email every 20 seconds? Create more space for randomization and stick with intervals between 180 and 420 seconds to keep it natural. Tip number 2, read your emails out loud. Before you hit send, read your emails out loud. Sounds simple, right? But it's one of the easiest ways to catch mistakes with phrasing or sentences that sound robotic. If you stumble while reading it, your prospect will probably stumble too. You want your email to sound natural, like a real human wrote it. Tip number 3, focus on them. One of the biggest beginner mistakes, talking about yourself too much. Nobody cares about your company's awards or how innovative your product is, at least not at first. Your email should answer one question: what's in it for them? Instead of saying our tool is the best cold email software, say you'll save 10+ hours a week by automating your cold outreach. See the difference? It's about their life getting easier. Tip number 4, verify your email list. Imagine spending time writing great emails only to send them to fake addresses. Fake emails equal bounces, bounces equal damaged reputation equals emails landing in spam. You don't want that. Before sending, always run your lead list through an email verification tool. But if you're verifying 5,000 or 10,000 emails, you can imagine how quickly that gets expensive. Good news, there's one tool I know that has built-in verification that's actually good, because it's powered by a tool specialized in verification. It's called Woodpecker, and when you use it, your emails are verified for free with Bouncer. That means you don't need to pay extra for a separate verification tool, which can save you anywhere from $8 to even $2,000, depending on your volume. One less thing to buy and one less thing to worry about. It's worth checking out. And the last one, tip number 5, use a clear subject line. Your subject line decides if your email gets opened or ignored. Here is the thing, fancy clickbaity subject lines don't work in cold email. Keep it simple and clear. Think about what the prospect would expect to see. Here are some examples. Clear beats clever every time. If they don't understand what your email is about right away, they won't open it. All right, here is a quick recap. Tip number 1, sending pattern. Tip number 2, read it out loud. Tip number 3, focus on them. Tip number 4, verify your email list. And tip number 5, use a clear subject line. And if you're looking for a cold email tool to automate sending, verify your leads, and keep your email human, not spammy, I'll drop the link below so you can check out Woodpecker. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like. It really helps more people find it. And if you want more no fluff advice on cold mailing, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.